Between 1992 and 2013, Canada saw an increase of 18.2% of cancer incidents among adolescent and young adults, otherwise known as AYA, those who are between 15 and 39 years of age. Due to years and years of research and funding towards cancer treatment, we are now seeing improved survival rates across the globe. This is amazing news for those who have cancer, but unfortunately, some things are still missing in the long-term support of those who are survivors. As a sexual and reproductive health researcher, I've had the chance to interview adult cancer patients about how their treatments have impacted their lives down the line. Almost every single participant told me that although the impacts on their sexual and reproductive health was very difficult to manage, they couldn't imagine if they had to undergo the treatments during their youth before having the chance to start a family. This led me to think, what happens down the line, 15 to 20 years from now, when you give a 17-year-old radiation and chemotherapy today? Are conversations about lifelong implications of these treatments happening before they give them the treatment? We know that most, if not all, cancer treatments will have massive impacts on hormones and reproductive organs, which will then, of course, impact sexual and reproductive health outcomes of these patients. Despite knowing this, there actually isn't a ton of research that shows us what do AYA cancer patients need to support their lifelong sexual and reproductive health. My PhD research is going to address this question by conducting interviews to explore the lifelong impacts on sexual and reproductive health after cancer treatment with 40 AYA cancer patients. It is very important that the interviews are conducted with a diverse group of people, so I am making connections with community organizations to ensure that we have representation of sex, gender, ethnic, and other equity-seeking groups. Also, I am bringing together an advisory committee of AYA cancer patients who will be involved in every step of the way to make sure that all of our research material is asking the right questions to actually provide evidence that will help in the sexual and reproductive health of AYA cancer patients. This research will provide a jumping point for the development of comprehensive resources and tools for family planning and sexual health for AYA cancer patients. We aim to also provide the results of this research to healthcare providers so that they know the importance of discussing potential sexual and reproductive health issues that can arise for patients down the line. Lastly, more than anything, we want to give the power to patients to be able to advocate for themselves and their health when it comes to these very important lifelong health outcomes. Thank you for listening.